This is the famous chi pie in Taiwan. Chi pie, chi pie, like pie. It's so big. It's famous. May nakita akong video, they have special ingredients to make it juicy and balik-balikan talaga siya ng tao. I don't know why Taiwanese, they have super delicious food. Even mga street food nila, nakaka-addict talaga. And I'm gonna show you how big it is. Look. As big as my face. Or maybe bigger than my face. It's really huge. I think kaya siya ng dalawang tao. Kasi I think I cannot finish it by myself. Let's try it. It's so huge. At saka wala siyang buto ah. Kung meron man, super liit ng mga buto niya. Amoy pa lang. Sobrang enticing na siya. Hindi ako pwede ng chicken, but ito kaan talaga. Guys, wala siyang ano. And bye-bye. Ano ko guys, snacks lang to ng mga Taiwanese ha. Snacks lang siya. Super delicious. Tsaka sulit. I'm sure hindi siya sobrang expensive. Nung last time bumili ako ng chi pie, nasa $80 lang siya. That's equivalent to 150. Sobrang laki niya. So, worth it. Hindi dry yung chicken niya. Super juicy. Tsaka hindi siya plain chicken taste. Meron siyang spice. Yung laman niya, ewan ko ba paano siya i-describe. Kasi yung meat niya mismo may lasa. Feeling ko minarinate siya overnight. Malaki pa. Busog na ako. Bye-bye.